Hello friends, in this video you will learn to determine the concentration of unknown sample by standard curve, or we can say calibration curve of known sample or standard compound. Here we have sample data in this file. Now you can see in column A we have concentration of known or standard compound, and column B represents respective absorbance. First we have to generate calibration curve. For this we'll select the data, go to insert, scattered chart. This is scattered chart. Then we'll go to trend line, linear. We will tick the display equation on chart, display R square value on chart. We'll change the color of line so that we can see it clearly, like this. We'll change the title, calibration curve. X on y axis we'll write absorbance. On x axis we'll write concentration. This is calibration curve. In this calibration curve, R square value is 0.9945. Always remember this R square value should be greater than 0.95 or should be in the range of 0.95 to 1. Here it is 0.9945, very close to 1, so that we can say that this curve is appropriate and the line is perfectly fit. For the determination of concentration of unknown sample, obviously we know the absorbance. Absorbance of unknown sample. Suppose it is 0.76 and we want to determine the concentration of unknown sample. We can determine it directly by simple writing is equal to trend bracket, select the data, select the absorbance data, select the absorbance of unknown sample, bracket close. Here it is the concentration of unknown sample. This is the direct method. Okay, but we should know the concept behind it, how it is determined. So I will tell you the concept. Here it is the equation y is equal to mx plus c. M is slope 0.0017, c is intercept 0.7186. We know the y, absorbance of unknown sample. We have to determine the x, concentration of unknown sample. By simple putting the value of y, we can determine the x. By simple mathematics, we can determine the concentration of unknown sample. This is the concept. Thank you.